Dude, some of these missions in this game suck.
I bet.
Oh my!
Then there's Sonic Adventure 2 with the banger opening and hero story.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about just wow, that was weird.
Whee!
I was thinking about us mostly doing
The
Dark
train
Story
headed
first.
for Station Square will
You
be
could do Dark
departing
Story. I
soon.
could do Hero Story.
That works.
Hell yeah!
And then
I'm gonna
probably
make
off
so many
it all.
references to fan
Yeah.
dub then.
You
What's
do
up,
that.
Knuckles?
I did watch the fan dub before it.
Good.
Something bugging you?
I just haven't watched all of them.
I've saw the best
Yeah, like
of
what
Eggman.
made you
Emerald
watch?
have right now.
The Adventure 2, and I think that's about it.
What? Let's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
see
The
you
Adventure
take
2
it.
one is like.
I
OG.
didn't watch the Sonic 06 one. I
The
think
Sonic
that
06 one's
I was
great,
going
so
to,
watch
but
that when you can.
Oh no!
what the fuck?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no.
I had to have my revenge.
Oh no! The Chaos
Oh
Emerald!
no.
Oh no.
Eggman!
Oh!
Like taking candy from a baby!
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That's a Chaos Emerald!
That's funny. I don't think in any
That's right,
like
fool.
altercation or
You made it all
confrontation
too
in my
easy.
life have I gone, oh no.
You gave them to me!
Oh no!
Hold it right there!
And literally everybody in this game does.
Get away with this!
At least everyone present in this scene except for Eggman does.
Me? What about you?
Tails
Way to
does.
go, Knucklehead!
I could imagine Eggman just like
No, I
mocking
have
them by
full
saying,
of
"Oh
emeralds."
no, what are you going to do to me?"
Chaos!
You're like, oh.
Hey sing songy, twisted.
Oh, what is that? Yeah, it's like
These are for you, my friend!
Still pissed that there's no concept art. Freaking 3 or 5.
Yeah, only fan art.
It's really dope.
Man, no one ever cuts us any slack.
What? I remember hearing him say that.
Yeah, I think it's only in Sonic's that he says it. And now we have to do this with the worst. Because this is the hardest of Sonic. So Patrick, you never played Sonic Adventure?
I one of them, but I don't remember which one.
You don't remember what?
I played
it
one
looked
of
like?
them, but no, I don't remember which one of them. Is this the only one, or?
The Sonic Adventure 1 and 2.
Okay, yeah, I must have played the first one. I don't really remember this one.
This is the first one.
Okay, it must have been the second one then.
Yep. Well, to be fair, on GameCube, Adventure 2 came up on GameCube before Adventure 1 did.
That's so.
Oh,
Because they were originally for the Dreamcast.
okay, yeah, I had either one of those consoles for very, very little of my
Yeah.
life, so.
We're playing this on PS3.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. I think now both games are on Dreamcast,
Everything.
GameCube, PS3, Xbox 360, and PC.
Everything but the kitchen sink.
Pretty much.
I'm sure you can find some for PS2 as well.
What, Adventure 1 and 2?
Maybe.
No.
No?
I never got bored of that.
Weird.
I would be surprised if it was a fan port.
Yeah, probably.
Come on.
Get out the damn water already. Damn. Oh,
Now this part. The thing I really like about this fight is the fact he has like those orbs hovering around him.
the Chaos Emeralds?
Yeah.
I don't understand why you can't just grab
You some
them.
other time.
I
Sonic,
assume it's,
Stop dancing.
just energy. God damn, I hate that fight.
the worst.
But clearly, the creators of this game loved it.
And the muddy texture,
Yes.
because they show it 3 times.
Yeah.
Behold,
Behold my floating masterpiece.
Yeah. This guy was such a ham.
to the power of chaos. Adieu, until we meet again, my
Again,
friend.
my friend.
I did.
Oh, those money textures.
Muddy textures.
But just imagine if this game was remade with modern graphics.
Would be
I
amazing.
imagine the egg carrier floating above would actually look pretty cool.
Yeah.
But Sega hates money, apparently.
Then again, they haven't put out games in Sonic Forces.
No problem, Knuckles.
Well-
We'll take care of everything here.
Sonic Team hasn't, yeah.
Yeah.
But Sega is about to release a co-op game.
Oh. Well, I mean,
Yeah,
there just
is
hasn't been a
it
Sonic game since
Takes Two
Forces.
thing or
Oh yeah, we have to chase after the egg carrier.
Oh yeah, that claymation.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that looks so fucking cool. I like that.
It looks cool but weird at the same time.
Yeah, when I saw it, I'm like, what the f?
Yeah, I don't know. It reminded me of Little
Exactly,
Nightmares,
I
and that whole
Yeah.
thing was really cool.
Yeah, I saw the Book of Love and was wondering like, what? What?
Yeah, that I forgot about that. That was a little bit weird.
Screw you, trees.
Like, it genuinely weirded me out right away. Book.
I've totally forgot about that Book of Love thing. Like when it started, halfway through it, I thought I was watching something else, and then I went back to the Book of Love, and I was like, oh yeah, it's this thing.
Oh yeah.
Like I forgot about that, because I just started spacing out. Overall gameplay looked fun. But yeah, that's true. I forgot about that.
Then without a seat. Because fuck OSHA. Fuck OSHA and their rules.
I don't think this is specifically OSHA, but there's definitely some violations there.
Aviation violation?
Yes?
By all known laws of
And
aviation,
technically, this is
you
Sonic.
should not be able to fly.
And technically, this is Sonic's plane.
Technically, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is, because...
Yeah, this is its last appearance.
Gee,
Yeah, like-
why? Because it got blown up.
Hey, rest in peace.
That's
But I'm trying to remember, didn't the Tornado 2 get a change in color to look to make it red in Unleashed?
Question: why the hell does Sonic even?
I have no idea.
Why
Well,
does Tails have a plane?
Good question.
Like, at least Tails makes a little bit of sense, but why Sonic?
Why not? Sonic can't swim, so he has to get around somehow.
And there was a point where he couldn't run on water.
Jada, what the hell?
Probably nowadays he didn't he at least has Tails to fly him around, or he can run on water.
Right. You could run on water?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you can.
Yeah.
You can do that in Rush. Son of a bitch.
Yeah. Like ever since the 2000s, he's been able to. Like mid-late 2000s. I know it was started in Unleashed. I know it dates back to at least Unleashed.
Well, isn't Rush before Unleash?
Yeah.
So it started at least with
Rush
Rush.
for 06. I remember there being debates about why Blaze was in 06.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so my whole Discord just reset itself. Cool.
Oops.
It just closed and reopened itself and threw me back in call. Got it.
Oh,
It's
dang,
almost
hey, when that
nothing
happened.
happens.
Once had my computer
really
crash during a call.
We did
As
it.
I was
Way
just
to go,
saying,
Tails.
makes you freaking Sonic can get around by running. He literally does not need a plane, and the plane itself already has Tails' logo on it.
It always cracks me up too. They're using these like super futuristic fucking laser planes as the enemies. Like he's using a World War II biplane and winning.
More like
Right.
World War One.
Yeah, I mean it might even earlier than that.
Nah, definitely World War One.
I mean, yeah, I
Somewhere-
meant earlier than World
Somewhere
War
in
II.
there.
It's been faster.
We're going down, Mayday! Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The slide whistle.
Now he's in Vice City.
The sound effects.
Woo!
Tails? Tails!
I don't know. I always forget about this scene.
It makes no sense.
He should have a mouthful of
You're not
sand
who I'm
while
looking
if he was
for.
trying to say Tails' name.
Yes.
Dude, you have a crushed skull.
Oh, I wonder if he's okay.
Your son's.
And
And
this
then there's
little girl
this random
doesn't even help-
girl.
Yeah, this little girl doesn't even help him at all.
This random girl's just dancing.
And the little girl's just like, oh, legs! Legs! And it's coming out of the ground. It is a animal.
don't you try going
and it's
to the
running
casino?
away. Okay.
Oh,
I was
not Peter
gonna
Man.
say, if I saw a blue hedgehog fall from the sky and then say Tails and then got up and run away with red shoes on, I'd probably be a little speechless too.
Sonic, wait up!
Puts down the what?
Amy.
Oh, now I remember
What's
we're
wrong
doing
with you
Amy's story
anyway?
for some reason. Wow, I remember it now of all times.
Now you're
You need to be his bodyguard for a while.
You must be kidding.
I'm
Don't.
not doing
We're
that.
just gonna tag along anyway.
I'm not paying your child support, Amy.
Yeah, that's now our son. No!
Do 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 do
No!
do do do.
Like, hey, why do you keep picking up these random birds and trying to say it's our son?
I don't want to have a bird child with you.
Do 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 do
God.
do
Bus on the
do.
booth.
No problem. He's just a chunk of cheesy hardware.
Cheesy.
Oh, now what? Huh?
Look here. It says cute couples get in free. Let's go.
Amy! Wait!
It's like,
That line.
Wait.
That girl is such a pain.
Wait.
so what I'm getting behind that scene is if even if the world's freaking ending, if Amy sees something like, oh, cute couples get in free, I'm gonna bring Sonic here.
Yeah. He's gotta follow.
And of course, because he's too nice.
Like they were literally just an impending danger
Yeah.
with a robot trying to freaking, beat the shit out
Also,
of him.
do this. Whoa!
And then Amy's just like, oh, we can go on a date.
It's like,
Play
we're in
Pokemon
impending
cards.
doom, but let's go on a date.
Yeah,
Like, really? Why?
we're doomed anyway. Might as well make the most out of it.
I don't understand the hitbox.
It literally like, it's the end of the world, Sonic. Quick, let's repopulate the world.
Damn, you're having a real shit time with keeping your.
fuck.
What the hell?
I hate that section.
Donut. don't understand the hitbox for this game. But,
What I don't understand is like why sometimes I hit, sometimes I don't.
right?
Go forward, please. I assume it has something to do with the rings and how much range you have.
No. I always thought it was about the speed you were going, but you've been going fast and still getting fucked.
Ha!
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
I just can't hit rings for shit.
Oh, Saria. This is one of my favorite levels.
Yeah, I just don't really care for this beginning part.
Now, this is the reason why I liked it. Whee! Woo!
I like this.
I just felt bored there because it just I couldn't do anything.
That is the weirdest looking enemy.
Yes.
And I just passed through that little pad thing. Jordan's very quiet.
So are we just doing Sonic Story tonight, or are we doing?
I was thinking, what the fuck?
Camera.
Camera, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
see, you were thinking, what the fuck? Understood.
I was thinking about after the whole Amy stuff, we'd stop. And then when we come back, we'll finish it off. And oh my god, camera.
Just wants to make
Alright,
out with the
time to put
with
down
the
your
walls.
tombstone, Brian. Brian was thinking, what the fuck?
Is up with the wall.
Whee!
Yeah, no, just what the fuck.
Yeah, the camera really wants to hook up with the wall.
Okay, just randomly stop.
You've officially been quoted, Brian. Congratulations.
Quoted. Bill.
I have?
Terminate.
Oh.
I put your quote in general chat.
I was just thinking, what the fuck?
Yes.
That? Oh my god, Sonic, move!
Oh, you mean stutter every 5 seconds? Sure.
Not even 5 seconds. Jesus.
Yeah, right. Every 2 steps.
And let's get caught in the fucking stairs.
I forgot what those enemies are called. Oh my god. Excuse me.
Fucking making me on.
Not bad.
That was horrible, Sonic.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna stutter.
Welcome to Twinkle Park.
Oh shoot! I've lost Amy.
Why
I bet
does that
robot
matter?
hauled butt after her. I'd better catch her before it does.
Okay, I think this is a good point to stop.
Alrighty.
Yeah, probably.
Well,
Cause it sounds like
Alright.
everyone's about to die.
I was gonna
Yes.
say,
Yeah,
then
I'm
quit fucking
already
yawning.
dead inside, so